Hey Denver homeowners, selling your home can be quite daunting, almost like trying to run a marathon backwards. But don't worry, I'm here to make all that go away and make it seem like it's a walk in the park. First, we'll do a deep dive analyzing your neighborhood, your property, and the neighborhood trends. If your home needs a little bit of sprucing up to shine on the market, I've got you covered. From painters to stagers, my trusted network of professionals is here to help you get your home looking its best. We don't just list your home, we showcase it. 3D virtual tours, professional home videos, high quality, high flying drone videos. You get the full Hollywood spotlight treatment. Each week, we'll assess how your property is doing in the marketplace, make necessary adjustments, and keep you informed every step of the way. With the backing of one of the top global brands, our marketing is unparalleled, ensuring your listing gets the attention it deserves. Plus, we kick it off with a coming soon ad campaign, targeted marketing social media campaigns, and high quality open houses that will get your neighbors talking. When it comes to negotiations, think of me as your expert negotiator. I navigate 33 critical contract terms to secure the best possible outcome for you, focusing on maximizing your profit and minimizing your stress. Ready to sell your home with confidence and ease? Then let's connect. Selling your home with me is not just a transaction. It's about paving the way to your next adventure.